Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am a happy planner fanatic. I am absolutely obsessed with a happy planner. I love to share all sorts of things that I do in my happy planner with you guys here on YouTube. So this video is going to be pretty fun. This is my catch-all planner and my classic happy planner. It is my anniversary week, so it's 7 years of being married to my husband on Monday, and this entire week plus some of last week and some of next week is his long vacation at home with us. So I am going to do a fun theme of these really cute palm leaves. And I've actually done this a few times on our anniversary week of doing palm leaves. I don't know, I just really love this. Like, I just really love palm leaf stickers. And I also pulled out a lot of these Mambi sticks. There are 33 pieces that came in it, but I pulled out the ones that have palm leaves on them. And I'm gonna use these big, huge ones. I'm probably not gonna use her, but I thought it would be fun. So let's go ahead and get started. I also have some washi tape that I wanted to use. And then in this wrong accessory book, I cut off the page that had the sticky notes, but some of these pages have some, let me show you, palm leaves as well. So I'm just gonna decorate a lot, have some fun, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so that's really cute. Oh my gosh, I'm already really excited. Okay, so since this is a vacation week, I don't need like a long sidebar or anything. So I'm gonna make it a compartmentalized sidebar. Let's see, should I? I think Wild and Free would be cute up here. Yes. Okay, Wild and Free. And then this should be my to-do list. Just like a small one. Could do focus on. Put this right under, then happy plans, and what should I put under there? I really need like a big anniversary sticker. Okay, I'm gonna put I'm going to use alphabet to put 7 years. And then in this book, there is anniversary. So that's what I'm going to do there. It's also Labor Day, but I don't know if I'm going to have room to put that in there. I don't know. Okay, so as far as, this is just really cute. I want to put this down. As far as other things going on this week, on Wednesday, I need to put a payment thing that's gonna be drafting out. I have a little box for that. I have a possible dental appointment on Thursday. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not, but I'll put that there. And that's it. I tried to keep the week really open. So let's see. I really like this to put on the corner. And then what I'm gonna do is try and find a really cute, like, black clear quote to put on it. Okay, so in summer, I want to use this vacay mode. That's really fun. My favorite font. So cute. All right. Very fun. Okay. Let's see how I want to decorate this. We are staying home most of the week. Like, my husband travels a lot for work, so he really just wants to, like, stay home and chill this week. I, however, would love to, like, go on vacation and really live it up, but I gave in and I'm giving him what he wants. But one of the days he said he is open to maybe going to the beach for a day or going hiking or something. I just don't know what day it's gonna be. So I kind of have to leave it open. So that's kind of a problem. Make more time for what you love is super cute. You guys, it's like difficult to do this if I don't know when or where we're gonna go. But that's my husband. Like, he really loves to wait till the last minute. And it's the polar opposite of me because I like everything to be planned. But it's all good. It's just not the end of the world. It's just not the end of the world. I have to keep telling myself that. Okay. It's really cute regardless. Okay, I'm gonna put this with the weekend banner right here. Okay. I have a feeling we would go on either Wednesday or Thursday. So that's just what I'm going to tell myself. It would make sense if we have the whole week off, then we should go during the week when it'll be less busy, because no matter where we go, we're going to bring our dogs. Oh yeah, I didn't use this. Okay, let's do, where should I put these? These are really cute. Less hustle, more life. Wonder if I should where should I put it? All right. Sadly, I can't do too much, but I'll definitely, no matter where we go, I'm going to use this big box and put lunch date wherever we go and make it really cute. Oh, look at this page. My goodness. Look at this. All right, look at this TGIF. Put that up there. We have nothing to lose and a world to see. That's really cute. Wild Ride, I definitely want to put somewhere. I just don't know yet. So there's a lot up in the air, but for right now, let me put down some of these palm leaves. Just kind of like randomly around. Maybe all across the bottom would be good. I guess I'll go all the way across. Is it too much though? Maybe it's too much. So I'll just kind of like put those together, and then this one I can put in a cluster right here. I don't want it to be too much. Okay, that's actually much better, putting them in clusters. All right, let me make sure I didn't miss anything. And there's also this wrong. This one is focus. So I have a few things I want to put on a little checklist. Just two. Okay, just a quick little checklist right there on Tuesday. And I'm gonna call it here. I'm gonna say it's all done. And I'm really excited to see how it turns out. I think it's gonna be a great week. I'm super excited. No matter where we go or what we do, I am so thankful for my husband, and we have a million years to do all sorts of things. So if he wants to stay home, then we can do that. So let's put it in the discs. Okay, so there it is. Beautiful. All right, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye guys.